Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add voiceover on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to add voiceover on your TikTok video, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on this plus option to upload a video. If you want to record a video, you can also record a video here, but I'm going to upload from my gallery. So open this gallery option here and select the video which you want to add. So let's say how I'm going to add this one. Just tap on next option here. So after uploading or adding a video or after making video, you'll get a this type editing page. So now you just tap on this voice option, or in sometime you might get the voice over option. So you just have to select the option which you have, and here just keep a long press on it to record a voice. So just tap on this record option. So now whatever I'm saying, it is being recorded on this side. So just tap on this done option once you have recorded. So it is now original sound. You can also use any effect from here. So once you have done, tap on this save option. So once you have saved, tap on next. And here just tap on post option and your video will be posted with the voiceover you have just added to your video. So in this way you can easily add a voiceover on your TikTok video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.